Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and let you guys see what the item is in this box, as well as we're going to talk about it and why I picked it up. Appreciate you guys stopping by, and I will see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. This is just going to be a quick unboxing video, some information. This should be a pneumatic style brake bleeder system that picked up from Amazon. It should be from 4 Uncles, if I remember correctly. I ended up getting like $20 off. And before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. It's definitely a lot smaller than the box they sent it in. I'm not really sure why they sent it in a box this big, which is okay because I'll use the box for something. That is it. At least it was well packaged. Lots of bubble wrap. This is a 2000 cc max capacity vacuum brake oil extractor and bleeder kit. I'm sure you could buy these and use them for oil as well. I specifically bought it for brake bleeding. So this does comes with the main unit, which this is pretty dang identical to the Capri one. You got your hoses. It also has, the Capri one does not have a dripper bottle though. So this one actually has, move these guys over. This is everything it came with, right here. And I can slide the box back over here, so you guys can see the box if you want. So that's everything it came with. It's a nice little compact box. Comes with a 2-liter vacuum brake bleeder, which is this guy right here. Comes with a 40-inch silicone bleeding hose and a 40-inch silicone hose with extension, thinner corrosion-resistant tube, refill bottle, 40 to 170 psi. Air inlet is fluid temperature. 1/4 inch US quick coupler, which is this coupler right here. Move this light over here so you guys can see it a little better. So this is the dripper bottle. So this is actually, you fill this with brake fluid, brand new clean brake fluid, and then you thread it on here like so. And then this is a on-off knob. So off would be like this. This would be off. That's off. And then on would be all the way down. And what you do is you flip this upside down, and then this little screw mounts it to the container of your reservoir for your master cylinder, and this will literally drip and or pour fluid, depending on how open this is, will continually feed brake fluid into the master reservoir while you're using this to bleed the brakes. It's a very nice system. The Capri unit does not come with this bottle. You only get this with when you get the Capri version. It says high quality 4 Uncles is the brand. I hear a lot of people like this specific 4-amp Uncle brand unit. We fill it in through there. There's 2 gaskets that seal this piece. And then you just hook your hose up here. And then at this end, there's the inlet to your air line. And then this end is just a filter. And that's it. I picked this up because it will definitely come in handy doing multiple brake jobs on multiple vehicles, especially personal vehicles. And then this does have a little pin that you can lock the handle down if you want to. This pin right here. You can also leave. No. But, you know, it's a simple design. Figured I'd give it a try. I got $20 off of it. It is a brake bleeder system. It says you can use it for brake oil. It says vacuum brake oil extractor. So it's just referencing your brake fluid as brake oil. I'm sure you can use this for all kinds of things. You could probably use it for clutch, you know, master clutch cylinders, you know, clutch oil for your slave cylinder, stuff like that. You could probably use it for other things. You could probably use it for whatever you wanted to. Doesn't have to be used for brake fluid. You could probably extract. I know you can use this to extract dirty clutch fluid. You could probably use it for a couple other things. You could probably even use it for extracting diff fluid out of a diff if you don't have access. As an example, on some vehicles, you don't have access to the diff, like on Jaguars and stuff like that. Or maybe your drain plug is completely rusted out, or rusted to the point that you can't get it off, but you can get the fill plug off. You can always snake this in, extract all the fluid out, pour new fluid in. You know, there's all kinds of uses you could use this for. It's a nice little unit. I picked it up, got it $20 off. It's usually about 70 bucks. I will leave an Amazon link at the top of the description below for you guys if you guys want to go check it out. It's definitely a very, very nice, nice looking setup. I do not know why they decided to put it in a box so massive. I don't think it was really necessary to put it in a box that big. You know, this is the box they put it in. It's a pretty big box compared to the box that came out of it. But just a quick video, guys. I will definitely show it in use when I have to do another brake job. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. It does have an informative little instruction sheet and troubleshooting sheet that came with it as well. But I ain't got much else for you guys. Just a quick video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, as always. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Hope y'all have an awesome, awesome rest of your day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace!